So production technology of tropical fruit crops. First is mango. Scientific name is Mangifera indica. Three types of mango species are there. First is Mangifera indica, second is Mangifera sylvatica, and third is Mangifera colonura. Mango is highly heterozygous, cross-pollinated crops, sensitive to frost, hot weather and windbreaks. Family is Anacardiaceae. Mango is king of fruits. It is national fruit of India. All over India, 60 mango producing all over the world, 60 mango producing countries are there. It is a cattle food. It is rich in carbohydrate, calcium, fat, vitamin A. Vitamin A 4000 IU. Origin is Southeast Asia. Total mango varieties in India is 1000, and total mango varieties for commercial production is 20. So total mango producing countries all over the world is 60. Total mango varieties in India 1000. Total commercial varieties in India 20. Mango is rich in carbohydrates, calcium, fat, vitamin A 4000 IU. Origin is Southeast Asia. Highly heterozygous, cross-pollinated, sensitive to frost, hot weather and windbreaks. Family is Anacardiaceae. National fruit of India and king of fruits. Pollination. Two types of pollination are observed in mango. First is monoembryonic. Monoembryonic means produce one plant. Varieties are grown by vegetative propagation, monoembryonic. Second is polyembryonic type of pollination. It is also known as apomixis. Polyembryonic means produce several plants or true to type seedlings. Varieties under polyembryonic plants are propagated by seeds. So two types of pollination are there. First is monoembryonic pollination, means produce one plant. Varieties under monoembryonic pollination are propagated by vegetative propagation. Second is polyembryonic. It is also called as apomixis. Polyembryonic means produce several plants or true to type seedlings. Varieties under polyembryonic plants are produced or propagated by seeds. Sexual propagation. Then during flowering, mango is required bright sunshine, bright sunshine and moderate relative humidity. Temperature 24 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Altitude is 1500 meter, MSL 600 or 1200. Rainfall 25 centimeter to 250 centimeter. So during flowering, bright sunshine and moderate relative humidity. Temperature, optimum temperature for mango cultivation is 24 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Altitude 1500 meter, MSL 600 or 1200. Rainfall 25 centimeter to 250 centimeter. Soils, alluvial soil or lateritic soil. Soil should be rich in Fe2O3 or ferrous oxide. Depth of soils should be 2 to 2.5 centimeter. Groundwater depth should be 3 to 4 meter. Avoid alkaline and calcareous soil. So soils should be alluvial or lateritic. Soil should be rich in Fe2O3. Depth of soil should be 2 to 2.5 centimeter. Groundwater depth under the soil 3 to 4 meter. Avoid alkaline and calcareous soils. Then moving to planting process, planting and sowing process for and cultivation process of mango. Peat size for mango cultivation 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter at monsoon or in rainy season. Different planting systems. Plants and spacing. Grafts spacing is 10 into 10 meter. Otherwise 10 into 12 meter. Dwarf varieties spacing 543 into 34 2.5 meter. Dwarf varieties are required for high density planting system or HDP. Union 20 centimeter above the ground. Irrigation of young plants 30 liter water every week up to 2 years. Flowering to harvest. Irrigation should be given from flowering to harvest. Irrigation process is basin system. First dose of manuring full nitrogen plus half of potassium at June to July. Second dose half of potassium plus farmyard manure plus single superphosphate September to October fertilization under crop canopy, leaving 30 to 60 centimeter from the trunk. So dwarf varieties are mainly used for high density planting, and irrigation process is basin system from flowering to harvest. Fertilization under the crop canopy, leaving 30 to 60 centimeter from the trunk. Type of grafting used for mango cultivation is veneer grafting. For veneer grafting, scion sticks should be 3 to 4 months old. And its length should be 2.5 to 10 centimeter. Scion sticks should be sorted by wrapping for 6 days in April to June. Rootstocks, various types of rootstocks are used for veneer grafting for mango cultivation. First is Kurukkan type of rootstock. It is salt resistant, it is polyembryonic and vigorous. Then Oler is also vigorous. Then Rumani, Kalepar, Vellai Kolamban. These have dwarfing effect on mango cultivation. Then the Muvandan and Nekkare, these are also salt resistance. Last is Pulima, this is prolific. So for veneer grafting, scion stalks that are 3 to 4 months old, these are chosen. Then scion stalks length is 2.5 to 10 centimeter. Scion stalks are sorted by wrapping for 6 days in April to June months. Rootstocks, different types of rootstocks are chosen for veneer grafting in mango cultivation. First is Kurukkan type of rootstock, it is salt resistance, polyembryonic. Oler type of rootstock, it is vigorous. Rumani, Kalepar and Vellai Kolamban, these have dwarfing effect on rootstocks. Rumani, Kalepar, Vellai Kolamban. Then Muvandan and Nekkare, these are salt tolerant type of rootstocks. Last is Pulima, this is prolific rootstock. Mango plants, first is grafted bearing time 4th to 6th, start up to 50 years, most yield 10 to 14 years. Normal seedlings, 8th year starting time, longer productive life. So mango plants, first is grafted type of mango plants, bearing time of fruits 4th to 6th, start up to 50 years, most yield for 10 to 14 years. For normal seedlings of mango, starting time of bearing fruits from 8th year and longer productive life. You can also apply urea as manure at the rate 1 to 2%. Foliar sprays of urea, first spray immediately after the harvest and second spray after flowering at marble stage. So urea application in 2 splits, first and immediately after the harvest and second after the flowering at marble stage. Interculture of mango with vegetables like bhendi, cowpea, potato, cucurbits, with leguminous crops like groundnut and bean, with cover crops like sesbania, dhaincha. Cover crops are also known as green manure crops. Crotalaria juncea or sanhem. Interculture with vegetables, leguminous crop and cover crops or green manure crops. Then top working of inferior mango trees, rejuvenation of old mango trees, fruit ripening 90 days after the harvest. Ripening of fruits means maturation of fruits. Color change, specific gravity of fruits 1.01. Shoulder development of fruits, this is the maturity indices of plants, shoulder development. Harvesting of fruits plus pedicel with mango harvesters. Special type of mango harvesters are used for harvesting of mango fruits. So top working of inferior mango trees, rejuvenation of old mango trees, fruit ripening 90 days after harvest or fruit maturation 90 days after harvest, specific gravity of fruits 1.01, shoulder development, it is the maturity indices of mango, harvesting of fruits plus pedicel with mango harvesters, removal of branches in 3 feet near the ground level, removal of branches this is called pruning of mango trees. Training in initial days 75 centimeter, main stem, leader of main branch and other branches. Without training, breakage is occurred to mango trees due to crotch angles and heavy tops. So training and pruning operations, removal of branches in 3 feet near the ground level. Training should be done in initial stages of crop growth, and 75 centimeter of main stem training, leader of main branch and other branches. Without training, breakage is caused to mango trees due to crotch angles and heavy tops. Pruning, increase the auxin cytokinin, means plant growth regulators presence. Pruning will increase this plant growth regulators content. ABA or ascorbic acid content, reduce vegetative growth and increase flowering. Pruning increase photosynthesis rate also. 15 to 20 days after harvesting. Removal of all old inflorescence lower branches inside the branches to allow the sunlight. Eastern and western branches, dead, deceased and broken twigs. After pruning, spray 1% Borax mixture, 1% Borax mixture or 0.3% of copper oxychloride. Then paste the cut ends of branches by 10% of Borax paste or copper oxychloride paste. Mango slices, a new hope. So pruning is done. Pruning is done to increase the plant growth regulators contained in mango fruits or mango trees. It increase auxin and cytokinin level. It increase ABA or ascorbic acid level. Ascorbic acid reduce the vegetative growth, but it increase the flowering. Pruning also increase the photosynthetic efficiency and photosynthetic rate of mango trees. Pruning is done 15 to 20 days after harvesting. Removal of all old inflorescence and lower branches. Inside the lower branches also to allow the sunlight. Eastern and western branches, dead, deceased, broken branches and twigs. After the pruning, spray the crop 1% Borax mixture or 0.3% copper oxychloride. Then paste the cut ends of branches after pruning by 10% Borax paste or copper oxychloride paste. Storage techniques. Two types of storage techniques are used for storage of mango fruits. First is wax emulsion and second is cold storage. Two types of storage techniques: wax emulsion, second is cold storage. Disorders or maladies of mango fruits. First is alternate and irregular bearing of crop, Bienia in on year, due to genetical, vertical, physiological, hormonal imbalance and environmental disease or pest. Hormonal imbalance, hormone imbalance of gibberellins. Paclobutazole equal to Coulter. It is used for control of alternate and irregular bearing of crop. Alternate and irregular bearing of crop. Three types of irregular bearing: genetical due to vertical, physiological due to hormonal imbalance of gibberellins, and third is environmental due to disease or pests. To control alternate bienia and irregular bearing of mango fruits, we can use paclobutazole or Coulter. Mango malformation by fungus, Fusarium moniliformis. Mango malformation, two types: vegetative malformation and floral malformation. Control: early deblossoming plus NAA, naphthalene acetic acid, at the rate 200 ppm, artificial plant growth regulator. So mango malformation is two types caused by Fusarium moniliformis: vegetative malformation and floral malformation. Control: early deblossoming of plants plus artificial plant growth regulator NAA or naphthalene acetic acid at the rate 200 ppm. Spongy tissue of mango trees. Spongy tissue, non-edible patch in mesocarp. Spongy, sour and yellowish. Spongy tissue. Detected only after the cutting. Alfonso variety of mango is very susceptible to spongy tissue disease. Control: sod culture, mulching of trees, not harvesting at the full maturity at 3/4 maturity. So spongy tissue damage symptoms: non-edible patch in mesocarp, spongy, sour, yellowish tissue. Detected only after the cutting of trees, pruning and training. Alfonso variety of mango is very much susceptible to spongy tissue disease. Control: sod culture and mulching, not harvesting at full maturity at 3/4. Then fruit drop. Fruit drop, external plus internal causes. Three types of fruit drop: pinhead drop, post setting drop and May drop. 3 phases of fruit drop. At all stages of maturity, fruit drop can be caused at all stages of maturity. Maximum caused last week of April and first week of May. Formation of abscission layer is also observed in the case of fruit drop disease. Control 24D. 24D at the rate 10 ppm or NAA at the rate 50 ppm at P stage and marble stage. Provide pollinizers and windbreaks. So fruit drop can be caused in external and internal tissues of plants. 3 phases of fruit drops. First is pinhead drop, second is post setting drop, and third is May drop. At all stages, fruit drop can be caused at all stages of maturity of mango trees. Maximum last week of April and first week of May. Formation of abscission layer is also observed. Control 240 at the rate 10 ppm, NAA at the rate 50 ppm at P stage and marble stage. Provide pollinizers and windbreaks.